people. So it's now my mission in life to encourage these other cute little channels because I think it's important. Yeah. So there's this one channel called Your Wawa Girl. It's I think America. It's a state. The vlogger is from the states, and she's a very sweet lady who it's like who must be in her I think that's what like she's not one of these teenage YouTubers. Instead, when she's speaking on her videos, you feel like she's an old friend. It's so you all should check it out. Yeah, it's called Your Wawa Girl, and it's very nice, very conversational. This particular, and she has ferrets as pets. I had to Google ferrets to know what ferrets are, but even they feature in her videos. So you all should check it out, people. It's called Your Wawa Girl, and it is such a cute channel. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.